Is your RingCentral audio sounding less like a crystal-clear conversation and more like you're talking through a tin can on a string? Are your important business calls plagued by choppy voices, frustrating delays, or sudden drop-offs? If you're nodding your head right now, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced, remote-first world, reliable communication isn't just a luxury. It's the bedrock of business success. And when your RingCentral calls aren't delivering, it can cost you more than just a headache. It can cost you clients, productivity, and ultimately, your bottom line. Think about it. Every garbled sentence is a missed opportunity. Every dropped call a test of your customer's patience. We rely on VoIP services like RingCentral to seamlessly connect us. Whether we're closing a deal, collaborating with colleagues across continents, or providing crucial customer support. When that connection falters, the ripple effect can be significant. Imagine trying to onboard a new client with a constant echo, or having a vital negotiation interrupted by a sudden silence. The frustration is real, and the consequences are tangible. For many businesses, RingCentral is more than just a phone system. It's a unified communications platform that integrates calls, messaging, video conferencing, and more. It's designed to streamline workflows and enhance collaboration. So, when one core function, call quality, starts to stumble, the entire system can feel compromised. This isn't just about technical glitches. It's about the very foundation of your business operations. Poor call quality can erode trust, project an unprofessional image, and even lead to financial losses due to miscommunications or lost sales. But here's the good news. Most RingCentral call quality issues aren't mysterious, unsolvable problems. They stem from a handful of common culprits, and with a bit of troubleshooting and understanding, you can often diagnose and fix them yourself, or at least provide valuable information to your IT team or RingCentral support. Today, we're going to dive deep into those culprits and equip you with the knowledge and actionable steps you need to transform your choppy calls into consistently clear conversations. We'll explore everything from your internet connection to your hardware, from network settings to software configurations. So, let's get you back to truly seamless communication. The first and arguably most critical element influencing your RingCentral call quality is your internet connection. Think of it as the highway for your voice data. If that highway is congested, narrow, or full of potholes, your voice packets are going to struggle to get through smoothly. The two main factors here are bandwidth and stability. Bandwidth refers to the capacity of your internet connection, how much data it can handle at once. For VoIP, you need sufficient upload and download bandwidth. While download speeds are often emphasized for general browse, upload speeds are equally vital for transmitting your voice clearly to the other party. As a general rule, for a single VoIP call, you're looking at around 100 kbps, kilobits per second, of dedicated bandwidth in both directions. However, if you have multiple users, concurrent calls, or are simultaneously running other bandwidth-intensive applications like video conferencing or large file transfers, you'll need significantly more. Then there's stability. A connection with high bandwidth but frequent drops or fluctuating speeds will still result in poor call quality. This is often characterized by calls cutting out, sudden silences, or a robotic sound. To diagnose this, run a speed test not just once, but multiple times throughout the day, especially during peak usage hours. Look for consistency in both your download and upload speeds. Also, pay attention to latency and jitter. Latency is the delay in transmitting data, often measured in milliseconds, ms. High latency means a noticeable delay in conversation. Jitter refers to the variation in that delay. High jitter can make voices sound choppy and distorted. Ideally, you want latency under 100 milliseconds and jitter under 20 milliseconds for optimal VoIP performance. If your speed tests reveal insufficient bandwidth, high latency, or significant jitter, contact your internet service provider to discuss upgrading your plan or troubleshooting connection issues. Beyond your internet connection, the next area to investigate is your network hardware and configuration. Your router, switches, and even your Ethernet cables play a crucial role. An old, outdated, or poorly configured router can be a major bottleneck. Ensure your router is capable of handling the demands of VoIP traffic. Features like quality of service, QoS, are vital. QoS allows you to prioritize VoIP traffic over other network activities, ensuring that your voice packets get preferential treatment even when your network is busy. Consult your router's manual or search online for instructions on how to enable and configure QoS for VoIP. Similarly, if you're using Wi-Fi for your calls, consider the potential for interference. Wireless connections are inherently less stable than wired ones and can be affected by other wireless devices, microwave ovens, or even neighboring Wi-Fi networks. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection directly from your computer or IP phone to your router. If Wi-Fi is your only option, try to position your device closer to the router and ensure you're on a less congested Wi-Fi channel. Another common culprit is the actual equipment you're using. This includes your headset, microphone, and speakers. A cheap, low-quality headset can introduce background noise, echoes, or simply transmit your voice poorly. Invest in a good-quality USB headset with a noise-canceling microphone. This is particularly important if you're working in a noisy environment. Always test your headset before important calls. Most operating systems and RingCentral itself have built-in audio testing tools. Ensure your microphone input levels are not too high, which can cause distortion, or too low, which makes you sound faint. Also, check for any physical damage to your cables or connectors. Sometimes, the simplest solution is replacing a faulty cable or a worn-out headset. Let's move on to software and application-specific settings. The RingCentral desktop application itself offers several settings that can impact call quality. Ensure you're running the latest version of the RingCentral app. Software updates often include bug fixes and performance enhancements that can improve call stability and audio clarity. Within the app, navigate to your audio settings. Double-check that the correct microphone and speaker devices are selected. Experiment with echo cancellation settings if you're experiencing feedback. Also, be mindful of other applications running on your computer. Resource-intensive programs can compete for CPU, memory, and network resources, potentially degrading call quality. Close unnecessary applications during important calls. Finally, consider the broader context of your network security and firewall settings. While firewalls are essential for protecting your network, overly strict or misconfigured firewall rules can inadvertently block or impede the flow of VoIP traffic. RingCentral uses specific ports and protocols for its communication. If your firewall is blocking these, you'll experience significant call quality issues or even be unable to make or receive calls. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.